In this video, I'll show you how to create an ACI eManifest with a military goods shipment using BorderConnect. Military Goods Consigned to the Department of National Defense is a Canadian shipment of goods belonging to or destined to the Canadian Department of National Defense being transported by an authorized commercial highway carrier. Qualified military goods are entitled to special processing at the border when clearing through Canada Border Services Agency and are required to be processed on an ACI eManifest. At the border, the driver must present an ACI eManifest lead sheet, as well as the appropriate Department of National Defense paperwork, as outlined in the Defense Administration Order. So, now that you understand the basics, let's jump in and I'll show you how to process an ACI eManifest in BorderConnect. Once you're logged in, hover over the ACI eManifest menu and click Start New ACI eManifest. After you enter all your trip information, scroll down to the bottom and hover over Save and Start New ACI Shipment. Since there's a military goods shipment that needs to be created, click Save and Start New ACI Shipment. And to learn how to enter ACI trip information, click the link at the top of the video now. Starting from the top, select your shipment type. It's currently set to a PARS as that's the most common shipment type. But since this is a military goods shipment, click the shipment type and change it to a military goods. Next, enter your cargo control number. And if you're hauling another carrier shipment, just click the carrier code to change it. Now enter the shipper and consignee details of the shipment below. You can easily look up the shipper or consignee by entering the first few characters of the name or the address. And if you need to add a new consignee, just click Add Consignee, add the consignee details, and click Save. We're now ready to move on to the commodities on the shipment, so go to the bottom and click Save and Add Commodity. Now enter your description of goods, quantity, and weight. Then go to the bottom and hover over Save and back to ACI eManifest. If you had additional shipments to add here, you'd click Save and Start New ACI Shipment. However, in this tutorial, it's only the military goods shipment that'll be created. So, click Save and back to ACI eManifest. Here you can see all the information you entered for the eManifest at a glance as you scroll down the page. And if any additional information needs to be added or changed, you can do so here. We're now ready to get our eManifest on file with CBSA. So, go to the top and click Sync with CBSA, where your manifest status will be changed to 2 yellow bars, transmitted. And after approximately 2 to 3 minutes, CBSA should accept your manifest, and the status will then move to 3 blue bars, on file with CBSA, and remain at that status until the driver arrives at the first port of arrival, since there is no customs broker or transaction numbers associated with military goods shipments. And when the driver arrives at the border, the status will then move to 5 dark green bars, arrival reported at border, where it'll remain at that status even after the driver crosses into Canada, as there's no release message for military goods shipments. Congratulations! You've successfully created an ACI eManifest with a military goods shipment using BorderConnect. This type of trip and shipment is usually completed within about a minute or two, and if you ever need help, please reach out to our friendly support team via chat, phone, or email.
Hi, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you'd like to watch more videos like this, check out these videos here, or subscribe below. If you're not already signed up to BorderConnect, you can sign up today for a free 45-day trial using special promo code EASY45. Thanks for watching.